2025 BMW M340i 3.0 liter turbo. It's got its stock downpipe and stock converters way up there with a flex pipe to some crunch pipes, Y's out into duals, all the way back, straight pipe. And what we did is a muffler delete right there and right there, custom, beautiful, clean, right there into his stock exhaust tips. M340i X Drive. We're gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. As always, make sure to hit that subscribe button.
2026 BMW M340i. And the nice thing about the 340i is it's got an inline 6 in it. Check it out, guys. That is a beautiful car. All right, let me show you guys. So it's got factory cats on it up there. Then the downpipe right there. Then it was into a dual. Then what we did is he bought his own system by Dinan. Part number is right there. D660-0085. Black. It starts from right here. These two clamps. Goes back. Everything fit pretty well. We didn't have any issues other than this hanger over here. It's a little bit higher on top, but I don't think you're going to notice it when it's on the ground. But Dinan, if you guys are watching, just want to give you guys a heads up. Go back on the drawing board on this side. Anyways, other than that, everything fits perfectly, cleanly. We didn't have too much trouble with it. There's the old system that was on it right there. There's the muffler and the valve on that side. And on these BMWs, the valve only comes... Does it come on both sides on this one? Yeah. Valves on each side. There and there. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it.
BMW M340i 2025. Nothing too crazy. Turbos always help quieten it down a little bit. Your sound decibels? Peaks at 98. Nothing too crazy. We'll be quiet in the cabin. Go and back it up. If you guys don't know, we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, right here in Nashville, Tennessee, right down the street from Skyline Hospital, and in between Due West Avenue. Give us a call at 615-612-6244. Beautiful car. 2025. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
All right, guys, here we go. 2026 M340i with a Dinan axle back exhaust, valved exhaust. Here we go. Start. So that's the valves closed. Let it warm up a little bit. Here's sound decibels on cold start. Right at 80. That's the valves you're hearing rattle. Once they adjust, it should go away or they warm up. Yeah. Give it gas. Quiet with them closed. Again? It sounds choked though, right?
Yeah. Not quite right, but...
Yeah. But it's still under load. It's not under load either.
Right.
Again? Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 92. See, once it warms up, it goes away.
Yeah.
All right, open the valves. That was with the valves closed, guys. Yeah, look, it's like keep it open all the time. It's nothing. That's surprisingly quiet. They work the best with a downpipe.
A little downpipe, yeah.
Again? It's clean though. I like it. It's not bad at all. Again? That's not bad at all. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 103. No rasp whatsoever though.
Right, right.
Smooth. Again? Yeah. I like them open. Don't ever close them.
Right.
Now you have to drive it in sport 24/7. Which I don't think you're going to complain about.
Right.
Go ahead and back it out, bro. And if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's a beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Come and see us for all your exhaust needs. From Dinan to Flowmaster to Borla and everything between. I like that color too. It's different. That's with the valves open, guys. Go ahead and close them. Some tone, but
Something, yeah. It's quiet still, huh?
Surprisingly really quiet.
Yeah.
Again?
What the squeaks is?
Yeah, it's the valves. That's how they are on these. Again? Once they settle and everything, it's gonna take them a few tries, and then they'll settle back.
Okay. So
It's
it should
just,
go away.
yeah, it should.
Okay.
All right, let me let you guys hear on the inside.
'25 BMW M340i. Sport mode. Really quiet at idle. Can't even hear it. Nothing crazy. Enjoy, guys.
All right, guys, here we go. BMW M340i inline 6, which really surprised me. That might be the next car I get for somebody. I don't know who yet. I want them all with a Dinan axle back exhaust. This is the valves open. It's in sport mode. It's pushing 400 horsepower. That's clean. Wow, you guys did awesome, Dinan. That sounds really, really clean. I like it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Enjoy.